Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we are sending our fertilizer equipment, the chain crusher, to Europe. This chain crusher, the function is grinding the animal manure to a powder size. As you know, the animal manure, like chicken manure, cow manure, pig manure, usually the moisture is to 60%. And such high moisture manure cannot be made pelleted directly. So we must have a fermentation process to reduce the moisture from 60% to 30%. And during this process, the chicken manure and cow manure will be a bigger size. So we have this chain crusher is very necessary to use to grind this big size material to a powder size. So it will be easily to make pellet. And as you can see, this is the input hopper for this chain crusher, and this is the output part. And over here, this chain crusher will fit with a 7.5 kilowatt electric motor, and the capacity for this machine is 1 to 2 tons per hour. Inside the our chain crusher, we fit with many pieces of chains. When this electric motor connect with the main shaft through the belt, and these chains will be running quickly, and will grind the fermentation manure to powder size, and then will be used for next step to make fertilizer pellet. Okay, everyone, if you have any interest with the Longze chain crusher, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.